Let's examine intermediate versus final goods and how to avoid double counting. So what's the correct way to categorize coffee beans? Intermediate or final? Well, if the beans are ground into something for a cup, for a final consumer, let's compare beans ground into a cup of coffee for a final consumer versus beans for sale to a final consumer. It's not whether beans or coffee we're talking about, but whether the transaction is final or not. Because most goods for sale to final consumers have an intermediate step. The fabric is intermediate when it comes to most clothing. The finished goods are final. Chemical ingredients are intermediate. Cleaning supplies made from them for home use or commercial are both final. Food at the source, it's intermediate unless it's purchased at a farmer's market. Food cooked at home is final. Food cooked at a restaurant is final. What about light bulbs? Final or intermediate? Home use, it's final. Commercial use, this is also final. Light bulbs at a big box store? For sale to consumers? Final. For in-store use and not for resale? Final. It all depends. Are they the final user? If not, they are intermediate. We separate intermediate from final goods to avoid double counting.